Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Priyanka Dikshit, working as Assistant Professor in School of Pharmacy, BBD University, Lucknow. Today we are going to study the topic History of Pharmacopoeia. History. In pre-independence days, British pharmacopoeia was used in India. The colonial addendum of BP 1898 was published in 1900, appeared as Government of India edition in 1901. In 1946, Government of India issued one list known as the Indian Pharmacopoeia List. Committee under chairmanship of Sir R.N. Chopra along with other 9 members prepared the Indian Pharmacopoeia List. It was prepared by Department of Health, Government of India, Delhi in 1946. In 1948, Government of India appointed an Indian Pharmacopoeial Committee for preparing Pharmacopoeia of India. Tenure of this committee was 5 years. Indian Pharmacopoeia editions. The first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1955. Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee under chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh published first edition of IP in 1955. It is written in English and official titles of monographs are given in Latin. It covers 986 monographs. Supplement to this edition was published in 1960. Second edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. Mukherjee. Official titles of monographs given in English. Those were expressed in metric system. For tablets and injections, usual strength have been given. Formulations of the drugs were given immediately after the monograph of drugs. 274 monographs for IP 55 and their supplement were deleted and 93 new monographs were added. Supplement to this edition was published in 1975. 126 new monographs have been included and 250 monographs have been amended. Third edition 1985. Third edition of IP was published in 1985 under the chairmanship of P.K. Pradhan with 2 volumes and 9 appendices. 261 new monographs have been added. 450 monographs were deleted. Addendum 1 to IP was published in 1989 were 46 new monographs added and 126 amended. Amendum 2nd was published in 1991 were 62 new monographs added and 110 amended. Fourth edition 1996. Fourth edition of IP was published in the year 1996 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityanand. It has been made effective from 1st December 1996. It covered 1149 monographs and 123 appendices. It included 294 new monographs and 110 monographs have been deleted. Amendum 1 has been made effective from 31st December 2000 where 42 new monographs have been added. Addendum 2nd has been made effective from 30th June 2003 with 19 new monographs. The veterinary supplement to IP 1996 contains 208 monographs and 4 appendices. Fifth edition 2007. Fifth edition of IP was published in 2007 by the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission IPC Ghaziabad. Addendum to this edition was published in 2008. IP 2007 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general notices and general chapters. Volume 2 and 3 contains general monographs on drug compounds, dosage forms and pharmaceutical aids. 6th edition 2010. 6th edition of IP was published in 2010 by the Indian Pharmacopoeial Commission Ghaziabad. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains the notices, preface, the structure of the IPC, acknowledgements, introduction and the general chapters. Volume 2 contains the general notice, general monographs on dosage forms and monographs on drug compounds, dosage forms and pharmaceutical aids. Volume 3 contains monographs on drug compound, dosage forms and pharmaceutical aids, followed by monographs on vaccines and immunosera for human use, herbs and herbal products, blood and blood related products, biotechnology products and veterinary products. 7th edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on the behalf of the Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 2014 is presented in 4 volumes. The scope of the pharmacopoeia has been extended to include additional anti-cancer drugs and antiretroviral drugs and formulations, products of biotechnology, indigenous herbs and herbal products, as well as veterinary vaccines. The IP 2014 incorporates 2550 monographs or 2550 monographs of drugs, out of which 577 are new monographs consisting of active pharmaceutical ingredients, excipients, dosage forms and herbal products. 8th edition 2018. The 8th edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on the behalf of Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The new edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia has been brought out in 4 volumes incorporating 220 new monographs, 336 revised monographs and 7 omissions. British Pharmacopoeia. British Pharmacopoeia is the pharmacopoeia for the United Kingdom published annually by the British Pharmacopoeia Commission, a non-profit organization that owns the trademark and copyright. Latest edition, the British Pharmacopoeia 2020, supersedes the BP 2019 and becomes legally effective on 1st January 2020. This edition contains 35 new and 331 amended BP monographs. Volumes. BP has 6 volumes as given under. Volume 1st and 2nd medicinal compounds, Volume 3rd formulated preparations, blood related preparations, immunological products, radiopharmaceutical preparations, surgical materials, homeopathic preparations. Volume 4 contains appendices, infrared reference spectra and index. Volume 5 British Pharmacopoeia for veterinary compounds. Volume 6 CD-ROM version British Pharmacopoeia for veterinary compounds, appendices and indices. Appendix 1 for interactions, Appendix 2 for borderline compounds, Appendix 3 cautionary and advisory labels for dispensed medicines, Appendix 4 wound management products and elasticated garments, dental practitioners formulary. United States Pharmacopoeia, annually by United States Pharmacopoeial Convention, usually called the USP, a non-profit organization that owns the trademark and copyright. First edition of the USP was published on 15 December 1820 in both Latin and English. From 1820 to 1942 it was published at 10 years intervals. From 1940 to 2000 it was published at 5-year intervals. From 2002 it was published annually. Electronic version of USP NF on floppy disk was introduced in 1992. The current version USP 43 NF38 will become official on November 1, 2020. It is published in 5 volumes.